everybody, this is Pam from Jesusjunkjournals, and I have the new kit. It's on faith, and it's called Faith Field Notes because it has, I used the designs from, field notes are when you go out and study nature and take notes in a little notebook. And so I have things from people's notes and botanical and etymological, however you say it, entomology, images that are just gorgeous, I think. And so as we're putting this together, though, there's the whole faith thing. So all the things in nature that God has made, and then we're going to put with it our notes on faith, our scriptures on faith. So hope you'll come along and do it with me. It's going to be fun. I will probably make more comments on the subject this time than I normally do. Hope that's okay with everybody. But anyway, just a little bit of a warning. So here's the pages of the journal. This is the main kit. There's the main kit and the add-on kit. So this is the main kit. So these will be the pages. So I did a title page, which I don't normally do, but I had this really cool title page, so I went ahead and used it. And let's see, we're going to try a different format this time. We're going to cut this oval out and make this into a big pocket that fits in like a page, and that will peek through the window halfway, just a little bit of it. And then it will show, is it this page? I'm gonna have to go back and look. Might be this one, might be this, comes through at the top. So anyway, just some gorgeous birds and butterflies. I did birds and butterflies primarily on this one because I hadn't done that before. So I thought I know a lot of people love butterflies and birds, so I thought, well, why not? So butterfly, fern, botanical drawing. He is for you. Here's some old, like 100-year-old notes from a real field notebook of somebody about some, I think, bugs or something. I don't know. An old calendar from 1899 with butterflies. Butterflies. Oh, this is what peeks through. This is supposed to be right after that. When that thing all comes together, this will show through that window. So I need to put that. You should put that in the right order, sorry. And this is from my old family Bible that's from the 1800s, Mark, because Mark 11:24 is key on faith. So I put that in there. And then one of my Eco Dye papers, I used a page of that. And in the garden, hymn, some more butterflies and birds. Butterflies, birds, notes. Butterflies and birds. Some more. And the bird's nests. And this is, this is Hebrews chapter 11. Now faith is. So that's from my family Bible. And birds, eggs, and feathers. And that is it for the pages. I hope you like them. I'm excited. I think they came out real pretty. And then the pieces, I did these two envelopes. This is a coin envelope, and then just a little envelope here, Fight the Good Fight of Faith, a little piece of ephemera. These are 2 slides to put some dried flowers in, and some tickets. And these are pockets, so there's 2, 4, 6, 8 pockets. And these are old postcards showing like national parks. And I had to include this one. I know it's a little bit not quite like the others, but it's It's from Hot Springs, Arkansas, and it cracked me up. It's this ostrich pulling this guy in a cart. So anyway, and then these go with these scriptures on the back. So faith scriptures that go with these, or you can do them separate and make 10 instead of 5. Here's some tabs, some more ephemera verses. And then this is a 4 pockets. It's 2 flaps, and they fit together and make an image, make a painting. And then under the flaps, each one has 2 pockets. And so anyway, kind of a cool format, I think. This is a folio. This is one flap. This is the other flap. And when you open them up, here's a pocket that's underneath. And then these are 8 scripture cards. Let me find the other part of it. Here it is. So these all go together. And if you want to, you glue them together and like this is one side and this is the other side, or you can do them separate, and instead of 8, you could have 16 cards. So that's up to you. Here's the 3 stack pockets that I like to do, and then 2 more pockets. And the 4 flap box fold, which I, always do pretty much. And it's got Mark 11:24 as the main verse. Therefore I say unto you, what things soever ye desire when ye pray, believe that ye receive them, and ye shall have them. And that's the center of it. And then here's the other pieces. So these are the pockets that go inside. These are the 2 flaps, and you can interchange the flaps however you want them. So you can either put these 2 on the inside, which probably match better because there's green. There's not really green in that one, but I feel like the tone of it matches better. And then these all kind of go together with the pink. Anyway, but you can do it however you want. And here's a big envelope that you can either put it across your journal and bind it into it and make 2 pockets, or you can bind it by the flap sideways, have the flap come through when you bind it, or you can just make it separate and tuck it into a pocket. So faith comes by hearing, and hearing. And then here's a bunch of little tags and cards with scriptures, and that's it. So that is going to be the faith journal. I hope you like it. We will be starting very quickly here in the next day or 2. And so I'm going to start cutting it out. So if you get it, go ahead and start cutting it out, and we will begin. And so thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.